My name is Johnny Goode. I'm the president, now co-owner of MSP Manufacturing. We're a precision manufacturing and assembly facility in Bloomington, Indiana. We have our own core product of avionic cooling ducts, switch guards, clamps and cases, and then we do a lot of build to print. So we serve the aerospace, defense, space, and a little bit of the firearms community on that. So, we'll get prints from customers and use CAM-Assist to program some of the machines and then get those running. So we've been using it for about a year. I had one of my more proficient programmers program a part before our meeting with Dan, the first one. And it did in about 15 minutes what it took our other programmer almost 2 hours to do. And now he did it, I think, spent another 15 minutes to clean it up a little bit. So we're looking at 30 minutes compared to over 2 hours. So a huge reduction in programming time. And I think that number has been pretty average across the other jobs we've taken on. 75% reduction in our time programming parts. And we saw that pretty average across all parts. So that's why I wanted to sign a 5-year deal. Continue to get that ROI, lock in a good price, and we'll probably continue to renew every 5 years. Just the amount of innovation you guys have is incredible. I think just my programmers are able to program more. We also are able to use CAM-Assist almost as a third party, so they may have an idea of how they want to program it, and then we'd see how CAM-Assist did it, get different vantage points. But I think I've said it before, I think it's a great force multiplier. It kind of reduces a lot of the less mentally challenging features on the parts, where a lot of my programmers really like to do the features that are hard and they have to think about it, use different tools, specialized tools. Not so much on the roughing and finishing. So that's where it's been great for those, because it eliminated the pain point. And now after a year, my programmers don't have the fear I'm coming for their jobs, they're gonna lose their job, and they've really embraced it. And I don't think CAM-Assist will ever replace a full-time programmer, but it will definitely amplify the work that they can do. We're in a stage of growth, so we're adding automation, people on our more manual side. I think getting a lot more into the space industry, and then I think we'll probably get to a point where we'll start upgrading our machines. I think we're just growing, but we want to do it at a stable pace. My goal is to run us to the 100-year mark. We're at 83 years, so I'm not looking to sell. I'm looking to keep this in our family and serve the families that also work at MSP. Create a good life for my employees is really the bottom line.